Industry 1.0 harnessed the power of water and steam to power mechanical manufacturing. 2.0 utilised electricity to power mass production systems. Phase 3.0 exploited breakthroughs in electronics and IT. Today we're in the midst of a new industrial revolution, Industry 4.0, which is being driven by the convergence of digital, biological and physical innovations. It's an incredibly challenging and disruptive time, but Australian industry must seize the opportunities or risk becoming uncompetitive and irrelevant. The Facility for Intelligent Fabrication exists to guide industry on their journey through this constantly evolving landscape as it relates to robotics, welding and materials handling.
As a collaboration between UAW, TAFE and Weld Australia, the facility is a one-stop shop for industry in terms of training, education, advice, R&D and certification. The facility is an ideal partner for industry. We're not sales or profit driven, and we're agnostic about specific equipment, so our advice is truly objective. Clients can test their products and processes in our specialised lab facility. We're all about showing industry what's possible through the application of cutting-edge technologies.
The value that FIF brings to BlueScope is that we're not locked into our own paradigms and our own limitations with regard to our experience and knowledge. Once you've made a decision to invest, you can be locked into an approach and the technology for quite a long time. And therefore it's very important that we're able to have a strong, trusting relationship that enables us to be confident in the advice that we're getting and in the shaping of our thinking.
The facility has a rich heritage dating back to its work with the iconic BHP Steelworks in Port Kembla. Despite Australia's proud past as a manufacturing powerhouse, a lot of people don't realise that the nation as a whole has poor welding standards. As Australia's leading experts in industrial robots and automated welding, FIF is committed to lifting these standards and addressing the current nationwide skill shortages.
Being embedded within the University of Wollongong provides our clients with access to government grants and other funding sources for their R&D, without compromising their control of IP. We are here at the front end, helping our clients to envision, develop, de-risk, demonstrate and strategise. This enables our clients to approach integrators with confidence, knowing that the technology can be implemented into their workflow and will ultimately lead to very real outcomes for their business. We don't need to convince Australian industry that the fourth industrial revolution is happening. They can see and feel it happening around them right now. They get that this could be life or death for their organisation. What we're striving to be is a trusted partner who can help them make the decisions that will guarantee their success in this new era.